What's inside your hydraulic kit? Well, you have 4 syringes. These will act as your hydraulic or pneumatic system, 2 for each pump. To go along with those, you have 2 12-inch pieces of tubing, plastic tubing, and that the syringe fits right into. You have 15 popsicle sticks, 3 rubber bands, 6 straws, a pipe cleaner, a wooden block with a hole drilled in it can help you to make hinges on some of the cranes that you might want to build, 4 zip ties, a variety of foam pieces, some googly eyes, and of course our instruction sheet that has ideas on how you can create catapults, cranes, and levers, and other websites to find more inspiration. On the back, it also tells you how you can use this box, which is more than just a box. You can make it into a time capsule, use it for target practice, for maybe your hydraulic catapult, and then our social media information to follow and stay in touch. And of course, we have our health and wellness resource sheet for you.